Hey, it's Rick here. Well, I'm getting ready to take a little road trip. Gonna go up to central Indiana. Well, not really. Central to me because I'm in pretty far south, but we're gonna go up to Bloomfield and meet Junker Jay. I don't know if you watch his channel, but I've got some stuff that I think he could probably use in the fact that he does eBay and he also does flea markets in the summertime kind of thing. So anyway, you know, I got the van loaded up here with all kinds of junk, and well, you know, one man's junk is another man's treasure, right? And you know, I always have yard sales and stuff like that, but both of these houses sold so fast that I don't have time to get everything rounded up and have a yard sale of my own. So the clothes and stuff I'm going to donate, I think, to St. Vincent de Paul, and I'm going to give the rest of this to Junker Jay and see what he can. He makes videos about all this stuff, so it'd be kind of fun to watch that. So anyway, I'm going to go over. My mom is going to go with me this morning, so we will go pick her up. Show you more. Alright, well, I got Mom picked up. You want to say hi, Mom?
Hi, Mom.
Okay. Alright, we're going to head north. Alright, show you more. Okay, well, we're getting up here to Bloomfield. It looks like they got a lot of water up here from the rain as well, so.
I want a Dairy Queen.
Well, that's where we're going to meet this guy at.
Good.
Alright, I'll show you more. You're recording now. Whatever you look at is what you're recording.
I can't see anything. Oh.
My mom, by the way.
I'm his partner in crime.
I think I seen you in one of the videos.
Oh, probably.
Now, that pocket watch works, but I think it needs a battery.
Okay.
Can you hear this thing when you're talking?
Yeah, it'll hear you.
It's so... The screen's... I can't see.
Well, I know, it's an old camera. It's got dust in it. You can't really see the screen.
Oh, yeah, this is the camera I used to have, I think. You'll have to really... I've never done this.
North Carolina picker. NC picker.
I don't think so.
He bought 300 some albums for $80, and one is really rare. He's already up to $750 on it. So.
Well, the only one that, I mean, this isn't the bad one. There's the Elvis Blue record is in there.
Yeah.
But I've already got a copy of that. I got about 1,000 records to sell. Oh yeah, I don't think he's in there, but yeah, I probably got some of that.
You used to listen to them. How can you listen to that? I'm not a fan.
Watch it, you're getting in my era. Not really. Who was it he played with, that Burt Bacharach? Wow, it's cold. You want a picture of that truck?
Yeah, take a picture. Bailey's Construction, you put them on camera.
Yeah, we'll give him some. I can't tell if I'm getting it or not. I don't know how you ever can tell this thing.
How far do you listen to? 231. You can stay on 231 south. Yeah. And it took us about an hour.
What?
Man, we left at 8:30.
I think it was 8:30.
when we left, so it took them a little over an hour. Okay.
Yeah, we come up here to eat lots of times.
I've never been down there where you guys are at. This is about as farthest I've been. So it's on 69. You've been doing that way.
Yeah.
It's up around where Tracy lives.
Yeah.
I got a cousin that lives in Cloverdale. These are those. Some of them are still in the boxes, and they have their authenticity paper.
Okay.
But I looked on eBay. They've got them listed on eBay from anywhere from $2 a piece to $2,000. So who knows? I mean, I don't know what's the difference. I don't know that they're selling, but they're listed. So
That's just something you don't see.
no.
I can't even see what I'm getting. I don't know how you do this thing.
Well, the screen is not on right now. It shuts off. But you just whatever you're pointing at the ground right now. So you got to point this at something.
Yeah. I can't see what I'm pointing at.
Oh, that's all right.
Oh, brother. Yeah, that's why there's no way to clean that screen, is there?
No, you'd have to take the camera apart.
That's why I don't see how you know what you're filming.
Well, I just pointed and told.
Yeah, you do pretty good.
That box ain't too good there. Now, if you're in town, I know there's a lady that runs a continuous yard sale. If you go on up to the square and turn right on 231, and before you get to the railroad track, she's on the right. She has a continuous yard sale. She's open. We just saw her.
Really? I have to step with it.
I mean, since you're here.
Yeah, no kidding.
How do you turn this off?
Just hit that button.
Oh, I see a little green light flashing.
I don't know. So that's some kind of an old road. Yeah, they definitely got some water down here. It's really running through there. So they got a bunch of water up here too then. It wasn't just us.
Did they get the snow?
Well, yeah,
They talked about having snow.
they had more snow I think than we did up here. Of course, you know, I don't know if it's been melting. I guess I don't see any up here, so
I don't either.
a lot of it may be snow
I don't
melt.
even see it where they gather it up, you know, and it's a big heap. We saw some of that in Evansville the other day.
Okay, well, we're at the A.M. Kennedy and Sons 1883 covered bridge.
Right.
They've got her blocked off, so. Huh. So I wonder what waterway this is.
I don't know.
Doesn't say. Usually.
No, I keep looking for a sign.
Huh.
The only thing you could do, I guess, is
Yeah, I'll Google it on my Google map and find out.
look at Liverfield and see.
Huh.
I don't know. We got lots of room to turn around.
Well, there's a place back in here we can back into the lake or back into the river if we're not careful.
Well, we ain't backing in there. You might, but I'm not going in. I like this sound.
I'll be darned. All right, show you more.
Picture of her place back there.
All right, we're going. We just stopped at the garage sale. Now we're going under the old train tracks here.
Boy, there's
This is old 231 here for sure.
Oh, whatever it is.
All right, well, let's be sure and stop at the stop sign. So, all right, show you more.
We should.
Okay, well, it's Rick here. Well, let's see. I don't know if you can see that down there, but it's like 100 17 miles, so we're back in town and dropped off everything up there to Junker J. And I'll put a link down here at the end of the video so you can click on his website. Go out there and, I'm sorry, not his website, but his YouTube channel. So go out there and subscribe to his channel, and he's got some good stuff going on over there. Checks in a couple of times a week, and it's just nice to see what the YouTube community is doing. So anyway, it was nice to meet him, and I hope he can use some of that stuff, and be sure and subscribe to our channel as well. And we thank you for watching, and we're working on getting that subscription rate up, so be sure and subscribe and hit that like button and turn that bell on. That'll notify you when we get a new or when we drop a new video. You'll get notified. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Something a little different today. So anyway, talk to you later. Bye. Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.